Hey y'all, welcome back to TrulyAlexus. I'm Alexus and I do videos on fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. So if you're new here and you like hauls, unboxing, travel vlogs, hair care, things like that, make sure that you subscribe down below to join the Truegang and give this video a thumbs up. If you're not new here, you've noticed I have a new setup going on. So I'm currently in my sunroom. Long time awaited. This sunroom was supposed to be a YouTube studio for me and my roommate a long time ago, like whenever we first moved in, but we're finally getting things. So we got a second clothing rack. We got this large mirror here, and then we're gonna decorate eventually. I'll do a video on that. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing on the Telfar / Converse collaboration. I got a pair of the tennis shoes. I will show them to you, and then I'll also show you how I will style them. So we have 7 different ways that I will wear these shoes. And if you follow me on IG, you'll probably see these outfits eventually. But yeah, you're here first, so you're gonna get a first look at how I will wear these shoes. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video. Alright, so this is what the box looks like. It has Telfar on one side and Converse on the other. And then I am a men's 7 and a women's 9. And then you just open it up. One of the shoes is here, and then the other one is right here. So I will pull this one out for you and talk about it. I already tried on the shoe because I had to make sure it fit first and foremost, and then I had to pick out these outfits. So it's a partial unboxing, but y'all get it. So right here we have the tag, Telfar, just branding images like that, and then it says Telfar right here, 2020. It has, you know, the flags like Converse logo or whatever has. And then for more detail, it does have the Telfar logos, really tiny around, and then the Converse stars. So very cute, very unique shoe. And then right here, the Converse logo is in like a creamish color. That's why I have a lot of cream, black here, and then black and white, because there's black and white here, the standard logo. So yeah, these are Chuck Taylor's. I will put the actual name right here, and I'll have the link in the description box. So let's get into the styling. Okay, so this first outfit is very casual but cute. So I have on an H&M black hoodie, this skirt. It does have shorts underneath from Swag, and then the shoes. And then to accessorize, I'm only doing purses and shades, but y'all can accessorize how y'all want to. I have these shades from JD Couture, and I will link these down below. And then I just have my hair up in a scrunchie. Very cute, little half up, half down, schoolgirl kind of look. So yeah, this is look number 1. Alright, so look number 2 is this flowy oversized sweatshirt dress. It kind of has like a ruffling at the bottom, which you can see through the mirror in the back. And then it's just super comfy, casual. I have my hair up in the same style. I just moved these front pieces to the side. And yes, I love this. It's so like just flowy, you can move. It's long enough so you don't have to worry about it coming up in the back. And yeah, this is a new piece. I just got this. I'll leave it down below. And then this tiny bag that I have, I'm sure y'all have seen these a lot. If you can't find this exact color or style, I would just wear a black one, a white one, a cream one, or a silver one. But most likely like a black or silver. But yeah, and you can wear it like this, down to the side, or a crossbody like I had it, or you can make it into a belt bag, but I really liked it crossbody. So yeah, this is look number 2. So this next outfit is just a baggy graphic tee with these Fashion Nova Harlem loungy jogger pants. They're like so big and oversized, but you can adjust the waist and you can also adjust the sides on both sides. And I absolutely love them. I've been waiting to get like more cool sneakers to wear with them because they're so cute and comfy, and like they just give you that overall baggy look. So I have these on, and then this top is from Shein. And then I have the same bag from the previous outfit, and I love it. And then I just put my hair up. I feel comfy but still cute. It's a win-win for me. So this is outfit number 4. This outfit is very different for me, but I got inspiration from Pinterest. My Pinterest board is not really together, so I would say follow me, but I'll let y'all know. Y'all can follow me. It's all over the place. But anyway, I have on this graphic tee from Goddess Dope. I have on this long sleeve. It's like sheer mesh from Shein. I'm not sure if they still sell this. I got this probably like a year ago. I'll link it down below if I can find it. But it's a turtleneck, and you can roll it down and it'll stay, or roll it, keep it up. So yes, I have this cheerleader school skirt. This is from Jet Noir. It's down below. That link is always down below. You can always shop Jet Noir with me. These shades are from K Visions. I'll have them linked as well. They're going through rebranding right now, but my girl will be back soon. So go ahead and sign up for the email list. Keep her on your radar because you won't want to miss it whenever it's back up and running. Okay? Okay. This bag is from Express. I've been having this for quite some time. You've probably seen it on my Instagram if you follow me. So yes, this is the look. Very different for me, but I actually kind of like it. I kind of dig it. Let me know if you like this down below. This next outfit is super simple. So if you have a black graphic tee, black skinny jeans, whether they have rips or not, and a white belt, you can make this outfit work. So I just have my Telfar white belt. I have on this Roddy Ricch t-shirt, and then I have on these jeans from Francesca's. They're just black ripped skinny jeans, and then I have this bag that I thrifted. You've seen this before in my videos. If I had the white small Telfar bag, I would have that on, but I don't have it yet, but I'm gonna have it soon, so don't even worry. I will be pre-ordering it soon, hopefully. But yeah, so this outfit is super simple. I just have my hair down. This, you know, you can do anything in this. So this next fit is super like daytime, going to get lunch with the girls, going to the mall, want to be effortless but cute at the same time. So this top is from Express. It's actually adjustable, so you can show as much or as little skin as you want to. These pants are thrifted, so they're pretty much like work pants, but they're super stretchy, super comfy and fitted, and they go all the way down to past my ankles. And then I have the same bag and just a little half up, half do with a. So this is the last outfit. I just have on a bodysuit. This is from the Body Contour line from Express. I also have on these Silky Suede jersey shorts from Express, this Puma hat, and then this bag is from Remain Inc. If you are a subscriber here, you know I shop with them all the time, so I've shown this in another video, I'm sure. So yeah, this is the back. This is the front, super sporty, casual, comfy. These fabrics feel so good, such good quality. I will link them. So this is the end of the video. If you stayed to the end and got to this point, thank you so much for watching all the way through. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below your favorite outfit, and make sure that you're subscribed. I'll see you in the next video.